What's up, everybody? It's the 1B, and we're going to be doing some work in Photoshop today. I always say today. I should change that. I gotta come up with something better for that. I also want to come up with a physical like cue that I'm starting this. At the end, I do the piece dap on the camera, which is great for the editing because then I know when to cut, and it just makes it easier. Anyway, let's get into this. Fine. I am going to be making a... What am I going to be making? Oh yeah, we're going to be doing some thumbnails. I got to open up my gameplay template here, which doesn't look like it's in there, so I'm going to have to open it manually. I played through I Am Alive a while back on Twitch, and I just got done video editing that... that playthrough, so I have the VODs moving over to YouTube. There's 6 episodes. That's going to be happening soon. Let's see, gameplay template version 1. What's the difference between this one? Thumbnail template 1. Let's try this one. Perfection. Alright, Alright, so the first thing we need is the background, which we pull directly from the start screen of the game that I was playing, which is I Am Alive. We are going to put that down here. It says start screen goes here, and then it's like that. So now, right off the bat, we know that this is actually not the right file. This is a very nice clean file, but this is not the one. This is the one, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Okay. Let's go ahead and do this again. So let's go ahead and pull in this start screen here. Ba-bam. That's nice and good. Nice and happy. This white text, white title here. Let's go ahead and hit V. And we're going to put this up here. Let's go ahead and bring in the episode portion, which is that. We know that there is 6 episodes. So, oops. Let's go ahead and undo that. Let's go ahead and change that to a 1. Select, and then we have to zoom in here. Okay, chill. Sometimes it gets a little crazy. Alright, so then I like to put this stuff on the edge. Right. We'll call it right there. Go up one more on that one. One more, come on. There. And then we will go down 30. I was doing 20, but I think 30 gives it more space. And there's 30. That's where that will sit. And let's go ahead and just while we're at it, save as. And we will go new folder. And this is I Am Alive. We will open. Come on. And then we will call this I Am Alive. Alive thumbnail. We'll go ahead and save that. Click OK. And we have this where we want it. We have our game start screen. This doesn't actually say what it is, sadly. And then we will go ahead and select selection. Where is it? Eyedropper. We need to pull colors from the start screen. So let's go ahead and grab something like this. And then we'll go to the border. Let's take the outside border. And let's go like that. And then let's go with this one. And we'll go to the inside border. And go like that. How do we feel about that? Maybe a little more white, huh? Or a little bit more light. It's a little bit lighter. I don't mind that. I kind of like that. We're going to hit that save button. Ba-bam. Then we're going to file export, quick export PNG. And we are going to call it this. Yes, we are. And we will go with episode 1. Save. Text T. Wants to be a 2. Boom. File. Export. Quick export PNG. Click here. Change this to a 2. Click save. Change this to a 3. Check mark. Export. This one here. Save that. Number 4. There's 6 of these, remember. Save. Yes, number 5. Whoops, darn it. And that's that. We're going to file this. We're going to save. And we have our 6 thumbnails for the I Am Alive playthrough. And that's basically it for this video. Look for this video. I don't know when this video is going to drop, but the I Am Alive playthrough is going to have probably already dropped by the time this one's dropped. So go check that one out. There's going to be a link in the description for that. And yeah, I'll talk to everybody later. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it. And if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.